Wega sana kairi muridhiri wa Meru TV tuko inambere kwa twicokagira kairi kiri kithagie tukia muthia hara twina ageni betu ndani ya studio tuko inambere kwa tukeragira mantu makona kithomo na tukimenyaga kagitania kagita kara ana bethiri tubacoka macukuru kagita kara ana bethiri tubagicokua barabarire bici ni bukaura bu anyway ndina ageni betu ndani ya studio rutere ruru anjara yako yo ndina daktari Roimba. Karibu sana daktari.
Thank you.
Habari
Nembaga bro.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you Faminas.
Wega sana kedi muridhira wa Meru TV kengo tuiwa tukiambagiria mubango bwega.
Thank you Faminas. Muridhiri wa Meru TV ngo kethia rukiriro mthi murungu no mwega no tunatupere ntuwembega gatwigwe twina mathaa mega makwariria mantu makithomo na ngai akainambe no tutongoria.
Wega sana asante. Njara yako ya mwende na madam Wanja, karibu sana. Happy New Year madam. Tutirigana last year.
We are here.
Yeah, karibu sana.
Thank you.
Ni bwana ndo kinyabo kinyakaina ndo tubokuona and you're looking good by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Kedi muridhiri wa Meru TV. Ndikiangalia.
Karibu sana na muridhiri wa Meru TV na roho changu wazazi. Walimu na serikali kidogo. Karibu sana.
Wega sana. Wetu ringiringile kidogo. Daktari karigita ka ana bachokete chukuru kagita kama mberio wa mwanga kwena mantu mengi sana kwena complaints mbingi sana chiumberite kiria chiari no kumenya kagita karakange chiari baatha gwa bena kagita kauthu muno by the way no ntuko mutatara kinyora wareo agukanyuma nyumani gwititwa riri the other day na madam Faith mantu ma mutatara wareo kanyuma nyumani thaino mutatara wetwa CBC bamu bacheri batina kinyano haya mantu mama mutatara wa CBC nambi I don't know mbere magatwambira na mutatara wa CBC no kuona ugife bana betu kagitania kana kuona kagita kega guchinchia mutata wa kithomo guchokiora wari kitamu no mutata no wari utene no kuona we kagita kega guchoki mutata uyu. Let's start from there.
Ibwega bro Faminas. Bere branka mbere muraithiri wa Meru TV. Tutina mitaratara yiri taino. Mutaratara ora twino no CBC na tutichokete nyuma kairi. Atukinyete tutichokete nyuma. Tuthiete mbere na mutaratara wa CBC. Na ye chonko twakara twicheta new curriculum. It's no longer a new curriculum.
Okay.
New curriculum era twineo. No ndokara ithata ende kirachi kia mbere ya CBC ne dike grade 9.
Yes.
Kithiete senior school. Junior school ethira bathi senior school. Taino tuthiena form 1.
Yes.
No kumenya uku. Kogu tuthiena mutaratara wa mweru. Ni mutaratara wa kithomo ora tukuru thata tutumira. Kiuria kiraguria kana rindi gitare o chenchia. Kiuria ku ye koroke. No tuitwa achenchirie na itwa achenchirie.
Yes.
Kutikana Professor Makoa we kagita ugete. Mwana inyawa na ajire premature. Tutimota. Itoka mumenyera mwanka gutheta akure. Na branka uga inyawa kwina mararamiko maingi. Ana wara. Mantu imenderete manene muno.
Yes.
Kuhusu kithomo kia CBC. Na mbere mbuge kithomo kia CBC kiega. Muraithiri wa Meru TV kabwira kithomo kia CBC kiega. Nonto ikithomo kira mwana aina kanya ga ukura na mbari yake. Kira wendete mibira ukure, wendete drama, wendete science ni wetwa ukure kabisa. Wendete acting, tegitarira to ga acting ende thirira chukurua bwa thizone na huko ngekiro thaka kethira. So mbere twambe twetigerie CBC nembega. Na kithomo kiega gya twana twetu twa Kenya ukaraitha nyamanto maita ko competencies ukaraitha mission ya CBC yugaga nurturing every learner's potentials. Kukira mwana aina kanya go kurua utie mwana atena ganto gake kombo kurua ukaraitha vision yayo yugaga to produce empowered, engaged, ethical citizens. Na side teno ya ethics ukaraitha Kenya thaino kira ikumiria kinene muno ikwaga ethics kendo ta integrity ike kumiringa ndempu na kuwa na beturira bagape we integrity no ndo we ndo kigita core values in CBC ta love social justice love, social justice, unity, chena gintu inyanya ugu core values cia CBC ukaraitha core values ira cionthe ana bakomba na mbere na uchiwata ukewipa kwendana ukewipa social justice ukewipa integrity nkwire tugo twina nthiguru imbega muno ende mandu mama koyira i challenges wira chiejaga taende kambu pengerekano ukaraitha taende kwina mabuku ma grade 9 antu tukuraramika muno tie mabuku wathi bookshop tie mabuku okuona lakini we gintu we kamete no president ya rutire akuthungira gitini riongwa yetwa presidential working party ya Professor Munuve kamete ira yajie na gintu yetwa rationalization ya curriculum iguya yanga kithirana ya maoni yego aciari bo bakuga aciari kora stakeholders kwe bakuga kithomo iki kina subjects kina learning areas nyingi kina mbi yaraithiria yauga twiruthage ntu gwitwa rationalization turute overload na overlap overload na overlap imbi overload I learning areas nyingi muno ukegwa muruto karibu akamata mabuku na wirubaru overlap ukethira gintu kitu kuthoma agriculture gikuthoma business gikuthoma na akungi wende tutimeta reducing learning areas irrationalization kira kirare agriculture na kire kwa business gikaigwa amwe no kuona watwika utie kithira kwa agriculture utie kithira kwa business buka chiwatithania amwe buka thukia bitirariku buka biekira riru ukona bijo ikuruthata ikunyia ende gukarora publishers bakwanjiria kwandika mabuku lakini ende bandikite mabuku kuringana na system boy ambiritie mbere lakini yero ne rationalize mabuku marano komende imatwika matiena wera kairi no kuona na body no yetwa ya KICD ngore tu mtu very bweta Professor Charles Ong'ondo I hope ntuwe moga interacting wenya no mwete show ino wone we have great readers in this nation Professor Ong'ondo wokarogu body ne ya KICD ya dire ya rationalize design ya rationalize learning areas so publishers by Rwanda bachoke barothe mabuku kai kuringana na the new design bora ya ero de ada ekari endo mabuku mai marothirwe na KICD ya makorokeria process ira cionthe ikorokagirwa no tukwira process yembo moyeta waya material evaluation antu bagaeto from different stakeholders bagaeto mwanya from universities in the teaching in the county government bakorokera mabuku mabakiona uwa maina makosa wewa kima matagete ikyo na iwote class yeku na baro dogo na mabuku amu dona thirikari ikiuga ni supply about 9 million books to junior secondary schools na ingwete gimakinyu na wete makinyu mainzirani makai
bwe daktari Madam Faith ndikumeka we na kuongera kirinde twinu daktari aliria gu but at the same time kagita ketu tukwambiria tamu yenge yembia tukwambiria kagita kange kaindi kwina achiari bethe tubake complain sana ntubwa mutata wetu kuga twengerete no we wa CBC I don't know natagomba kwira achiari babu natagomba kubaharirio kabera
absolutely utiro gutethera kwina challenges all the time lakini mbere mutiari sometimes no mwanka we flexible na tukiaritia flexibility tugere wakaroge complain so much don't you wait inyane ne batwe nabo bena na bakuthoma so uria tutegaira nene na kyo bogategera muno you people baraba kudeal na mambo ya curriculum our curriculum sometimes sarira twathoma set books twaririria kairi our set books in design to kuonania how our leaders are the way they are graded, the way they when you become someone, you become a grabber, you become all those things. We need to start there. Kwa unani maukuzaraza we introduce odai I'm sure they have changed a little bit no tuto kwenda kuonya mwana we can have integrity we can have ethics we can be a good nation lakini niwe ambaidia basis na basis mbo imuchiari kwa muchiari basis ireo seta ya mwanoku ndira twarea kairi twariririe mantu ya conversation na mwana mburi atiari did you take time to have a conversation na mwana kwa gichoka cukuru no to most of us ndaugire kuri aciari bati interact na ana bao when I mean interacting ugo interactarira mwana agwitia but ndaugire you need to have that time for your children ugaikiana somewhere turugire tutika yana KFC take children to the library let them interact with books because that environment ni tuma mwana agachokaniria mathugani na akethira ari at peace na naretete kwa una this last week twerete aciari bethire na time na nabao na ndaugira time kwe muciari omburirie how do I start a conversation na mwana kwa that was very amazing you know ukarigara utirairwo wina rwadia na mwana ku na derire fathers ukaikaya ngari ka wosh wina muthaka from grade 4 5 6 and 7 you know sukiangare kubuka thamba yana your son have that hard conversation na ndauga matujara bubatere kwaje na mutegeria no read so many questions in my page and I tried to help them lakini the real thing is mwana ku eta kuringana na ureo muitele even the Bible says teach your child in the ways of Christ and it will be so hard for them to depart from them. Kwa the basis ni ara turaitire na ndinkori aciari atiri mwana ikinya gwita gutrima na challenges cia mwarimu and a new book ate athomere ate prepare have you prepared them mentally no tutware gagwitana na betu resilience and we didn't we suffered so much but we worked harder also to make sure anabetu they didn't go what we went through now that we've given them that life how are we teaching them resilience no to bo tikyo bakwaga the dreams of our homes they are living in our homes the dreams of our cars they are being driven in our cars so anabetu they don't have models or utimdo band mayaga in short no to batona feminine different from them but in our time I look at feminists gonna this is a different kind of a human being na ndenda kwethirwa ndi in such a position and I worked hard towards that position kumbere atiari our contribution tikana mwarimu na ndino twituraikiri mwana mwarimu but atwina these small ones if foundation iri koko build apart from everything else changing anabetu are we making them mental stable no to mwana diroka mutana challenges do come kutena sukari to you and you know that's a challenge to them and you're showing them to you and because we don't have money nandera atiari be truthful to your children tiwo bera sukari ni urire anga ndizire supermarket you know the things we like leo hakuna sukari na it's even healthy kunywa ndubia you know now mwana akambirie kugia another mind there is lack and there is abundance kuwa akamenya when there is lack how do I tune my mind when there is abundance how do I tune my mind ikenararo bateka ure because of so much abundance to not be telling your child there is everything na inyokethera wina bio ukaona ya mwana you can get everything try to teach them the resilience waiting there is a waiting period for everyone but thoma baka graduate urenda kuandikwa nandi but twathiraia form 4 tukaandikwa house helps as we wait to go to university and it was we were so you know tutaigawa yani ampandiki kwa mtu no we thought a job is a job a money you know kurande anabetu they don't have that Poambere menyoka muikia ke a friend barana business inyokethera ne business yekari they are feeling this is not my place na ko muikitiare gain knowledge either na exposure you know nande anabetu we need to teach them more to adjust to be resilient na bamenye this world ndaugire tutithoma twandikwa thoma wandikane be that person who is known to another they have become so innovative what are you innovating that is going to employ your people you know kuna nde hii maneno ya hakuna kazi hakuna soma ukijua mimi ni mwajiri wacha kusoma ukijua we ni mwajiriwa soma ukijua I can start my own thing and employ others. Go to the randi to give people and that information that you should not be employed, you
Yes.
know. Na dinye they're employed, they will be there for a shorter period. No ntuiba kumenya, I'm setting my pace. Na ndi ouria gugu change aciari, we are going to put more of our time to our children. Na ndi barabara ikiria na boarding parents. Some of us, we are so happy, some of us, we are sad.
Yes.
The happy ones, witirwa mbanden nyomba. Very unfortunate.
Yes.
But the ones that we are feeling, I don't know how my daughter woke up today. You know, and it is disturbing. Did she get everything? Did she get breakfast? Was she able to shower? Na kure ore ongi, ana itore ikidi school. So you meet parents, inya we have this time to look for our friends, but we didn't have time for our children. Nande ore kugweta with times. No, to come with times. Changes, we teach them things are never constant.
Yes.
Manton they just change. Nanda ure my friend auga CBC is the best thing that could have happened to our generation. Why? Ana banande they are so wired to produce. To become something. Kuna ndi baturi to adoma like me I used to eat chemistry, physics. You know, I don't see them in my life right now. Nambira to even my certificate, by the way, economize bandu, the graduation certificate. I've never used it, but I've worked in so many places.
Yes.
Why? Because I acquired that knowledge for me. Tinkuretera barugati yako. No, me, you look at me, you see potential, and you call me to work with you. Na tuitaneana betu kwethura those papers, they are important, but they are not so important.
Yes.
You need them to acquire that knowledge for you. No, today we itanire mwana to have confidence. I can face the president and tell him, you know, my friend, this is not working. This is working. You know, confidently. I just tell him my mind. Tuitaneana confidence. Tuitaneana kuitetera. Unajua kujitetea nini nimefanya sahi. Me look at me and you know that lady can work for me. So withro kimenya no ndegurwe and even papers are not working. Na irio kuona na betu they are becoming desperate. No ntwarita aka apply inyora tuekawa a place inyodi you know the practicals they are not interested. Where are ndambe? So are we teaching them to produce themselves?
Wega sana madam. Back to you daktari. Whether it were specialized na mantu ma kithomo kia mwanya. I don't know, mantu ma kithomo te kitu kwarire kia mutarato we waimbia. Ntikomenya whether it will affect ata kithomo kia mwanya.
Okay. Thank you Faminas na mutegeri. Mbere nkwira ugamba mbongere untukusu achiari.
Yes.
Achiari itu atwikire financials donors. Itu arekanie na wira yetu ya achiari.
Yes.
So wira yetu ira nene tabora Madam Faith yuga. Kuri uri ile bichi akenera muno. Kuri ugutuma uba ikamurutha ya shopping ikaenukiria na muchi. Utiege ntwana bakwaga at home. You know where go dona uri financial. Utie muchiari. Muchiari nura na time na ana bake. Bakarandi. Basha trouble bakanywa chai ta sukari. Ti ibu tuere tu ifata unga tuera stop being a donor financial. Be a parent.
Yes.
The other thing actually to agire aspect ya role modeling. Tutie role models tio. Tio tu live kendo kita double standards. To preach water tukanywa wine. Na ana ibega muno. Meabudugania twana tutiere awanu kubuva nyina. Eka nini? Ikara itha muno gakona bo baba na mami bokarania. Lakini uthie buka ugata ino twana inya gatie no karira bichi gatwire gwaku lakini akagokura gokura enderera okethera waringwa impaka yakura meotugania irirukona na araithire ona bro kurutha nyina kume munini omwethera akinywa which is a gendo common muno thaino no nire baba na twenagiria twira twikansani lakini twikansani tuma mandu marathi akarutha na ibonaga ithuĩ twana ituona wethu tutukaia twana ta tumtu tutare akiri tumtu tutare akiri tutie na ene mind lakini twana turekordaga freshly kithomo gia CBC igikuatira muno antu baba na mautaukiru ba kimwiri ukaraitha naga kwina systems chiri
Yeah.
kwina system ino twitaga grade based kana age based level based system ya kawaida na baba kawaida tubaita regular badia na age ukaiwa miaka ena ageria we pipi you know miaka 5 ageria we athiete ugu ai progress aga ugu na ukimenya tha ino tie guchokera lakini nakyo na igitegeretie nya na baba ena mawathe baigwa barinu lakini kwi mawathe mangi mayo mari extreme so kithomo kiao bari no engi tugeta stage based
Okay.
Nakuona? Stage getiko dictate age, getiko dictate imbio. Na ability ya mwana uyu kuringana na mawathe make bura marubite ata magana. Lakini muno kithomo gya CBC kiri kinyeria gintu gitawa inclusion, inclusive education.
Yes.
Kirenda turekana na cukuru ino cia ino tukwirana betu tukugaga eno na baba tona gaba karana eno na baba taiga gua twacoka tukoria kiuria kimwe taende we company yandikaga na baba taiga gua aki
Hakuna.
we company yandikaga ana baba tona gaki bau macukuru ino ri bakathiko so turiuga kithomo giki gya CBC kina aspect ye wetwa inclusion inclusive education mwana wothe na thicukuru ira ye karibu noe urata kuona urata kuigwa na oro kuona na oro kuigwa bonde wewe by the same environment bakurani omenyage mwana uyu atakuona wano uyu muntu tababa agina atinterera tu utongi atinterera nabona menya tutwire tukuthukite mawathe ukiona ukakethia muntu ena mawathe wa
ngati
na ukaigwa muciari akira uyu ngire kana karoti kuona gatikaribu wega tio karanagia nako indi kithomo iki kirenda twinde tuthomere amwe an inclusive setup alimu bapewe skills cio twika mwalimu athikira chini wewe na bata kuigwa bariku no adia na sign language wewe na bata kuona no aruthe braille wewe ndo tweta differentiated learning differentiated learning kuthomithia mwana kuringana na ability yake tio kama tamboto so ndibwira kithomo gya CBC mutegerwa Meru TV ogagikiriria bwega ugapewa ndeto ciaku muntu urokimenya bwega tabura wanda faith yoga igyo kithomo kira Kenya ikwenda nontu tie mwana ikubagua mwarimu wathikira chini utithomithia mwana urare ya mbere nontu bate yaku ti marks ira nyingi twarwaga na cio mbere bate yaku talent ya mwana uyu ni iriku taende antu baba tugebana mawathe Ruben Kigame is a good example ationaga lakini hata wiye Ruben Kigame imwini omonene mono mwini omonene bio mono na tuwira nge na arongi ta president kukuonania guthiego tukuona utie barriers ile ku ile ogo utie barriers ile ono kidogo so kithomo iki kiena manto monde na ibuku rio ndere andikitwo ria CBC ukaraitha ira cietwa preliminary pages mono ta guide ya mwalimu ni ugaga bora kira chini ugiaku no ndukaethera ana bena mawathe ikauga wethera bakario ka bamenyero wethera batakwigwo ka bamenyero wethera bena mental challenge ka bamenyero aya yaikwa differentiated learning kwi slow learners fast learners kwi agaende nkathomithia cukuru kwi ntugeta wa theory of multiple intelligence ya Howard Gardner yuga antu bena magome kenda dena gome bwakwa kwa language skills ya wasi language chi good wena gome bwakwa kwa logical aina gome bwakwa kwa art ubona kwe ongena gome bwakwa kwa sports so we akenagira kuthoma rira kurutha kwe onge no akenagira kuthoma athikiritie mwalimu nukuona kwe onge athomaga akina moninde engita kuthomenwe so kithomo gya CBC ana baba ena mawathe bataina mawathe bonde they are well catered for tatiga extreme cases cha mawathe iboto separate kidogo tukabaira through kira tuweta stage based education kuringana na bora milestones cia iko develop no twende kwena delayed milestone development kuringana na boba watendea milestones no butukabaira mpori wo mwanka finally tobe exit to the world of work uthie mtu ukurira gatigati uti Githomo gya CBC gitie na kanya gya utera gikosi agatigatenere kana
igusonga tu
igusonga
ibwega sana. Thank you daktari kinyani unkuthoma undewe mtu anase kenda something ibwega Madam Faith uthiritwe ri counselor umukari sana Amiru. I don't know kwina achiari thaino tukwari ugu banywire kira gintu kwina achiari December balingire sherehe na thaino turi injara baturanirite na tuga injara baturanirite na nkuba wete yani batikumanyiko bakamberia bamwe karibu watu depression nonto chukuru chini chichokirwe batina mbia cheko gurerana uniform maybe mabukumama kwendekana nambi ibatumire mbia chionde holiday ni kuruku I don't know achiari taba gomba kubera
okay 2024 a biashara na inya counselors we've had so many cases chia mental instability na tuga mental instability tutikuariria antu bara tugabe nambo mtu ja feminist lakini kwetu mantu tutigwita bwega so agasike counseling nezambira what they are going through, what they are thinking, how things are not working kure achiari bange they have everything lakini batena money management systems na ikyo to introduce ria tuga rira ndare at the other time nderire antu we need to keep learning tuambirie kana tuendelee kuthoma bare bathoma je daktari na thoma when I'm talking about reading tugire tutithoma kimauja zao tukathoma matuja andiki success and failures stories kana maisha jakwa nandi you know I was not born like this I have made myself now where our success is made uti muntu born successful nyabare inheritance you know there is the born and there is the making I have made myself the way I am you have made yourself na daktari kuna ndinde ranto if we don't seek knowledge ikyo kwetu kwithirwa twina poor money management when andi gitariria na unibitakinya biashara I sell clothes bara baje town batu tutarea biashara last Christmas na congratulate achiari bara bambire go shop mbere nyethi gunku you know now we are moving with times and we also thank the social media no nto anto bekara bakira we mbere Twitter out go shop for the books and what have you you know they were really prepared they prepared their children na kwe bangi nabo pathugana ya January mushara jukethirwa jugutonya na unfortunately tutiratonya kuna ndio rire tubesha tunde weterete mbesha ingi January sikureka kwizani who are we blaming the parents but now tugakarande twambirie ku blame thirikari thirikari tatonye misara shura jo atonyerwe December nuzijwa January someone has that in the Facebook and I laughed no amenyere musara shura jo December jo atonyere juju batere gukari January anto batamenya kuna leo gochirire January by 4th bangi nya 20th December there is money kuna ndi mtu akinyanga tubesha turogitite ate ware atu mbere aciari you need financial retreats no mwankantu bathome mantu ma better tukithoma mantu zangi zonde you cannot be able to manage money if you're not learning about money na nandi goratonyeria na baku stress ine because wetere na ba feminines kakula nyama choma you know kapiga sherehe mkoere you made a mistake mea tugare motu na papasa hata mathambi unajua sasa ninakaa hapa nikwambie no what you did was not right next time you need to do your budgeting no thithia budget yeku onibera mtu ona tubesha reinya school fees ne karai now you know so that now you're not like you're waiting for the next pay why do we keep waiting for the next pay and we have this pay now who this pay now either iratumantu ne tuti nare turi no tunuji there is next pay na iro tukara tukira antu sometimes you know we talk about if you're employed you won't go far why no to their mindset daktari I'm sorry either way towards that salary. Koguo tithugani nyona wandi tusukuma okendia, you know, no weke nguku right now adimu bokenda na idea staff room, you know, mayai and what have you. So we are not exposing our minds to the times of now. Now you got to save more than you're spending.
Yes.
Now ni wekuga. Now doesn't have tomorrow. So nandi antubara, they know nothing about saving. You need to learn that. No to shilling yere o weka ni ukava janandi antu audhiro wina ma stress pamoja to kwendea miunda to kumbodithania majani, you know you're trying to maneuver mystics yere o thithirie na bonus nejire, you know. Bonus ya batere o kinyo waki ukaliranithia bookshop ukarea school fees iria bigatigara. Ibyo to batere o kinyangambi tigonko. Kuna ndio kiambiria mwaka. I'm not saying that I'm perfect in finances. Maybe I'm in a worse situation, but I'm learning. And I've refused not to learn. Kuna nde inya unite moditwa okuthoma manzai. Jamani management. Kuna nde join me. Don't ndere antu ndina maukuja money management. Maukuja psychology. Maukuja relationships. Mantu jonde we are going to learn. Na mantuja zonde zetu tore aciari we are going to do everything. Not that's what our times demand.
Wow, that's very nice. Na ibwega no ntungwetie kiri aciari bara bakoina mbere kwegwa gugu. Tukirikiria daktari thirikari nethiritwe ikigero minyiri sana. Nethiritwe kimenerwe muno nontu bwa uthara gatubwite tu uthara kirego implement mantu mamaige makithomo tendi kwa ngerekano kwego ntu ndaonaga ana baingitwe kirachini kimwe utina irachibira bikwendekana bia kuthi mbere kirachigo kira baraye no akyo barabara nyuma barayire baringanwa na babangi kwe kunge birachibi wakwa na itwonire thirikari yugire 46 I think million kana billions ikainambere kwe igakarakara yetetera kidogo ikirekeru kire mashukuru. I don't know thirikari na ate bangi tena kithomo kiana beto.
Thank you. Mabikiria. Nkenya guchokia kiuria ku yaku. Into Madam Faith yauga financial literacy.
Yes.
Ebu ye CBC yena kithomo gya financial literacy. Yena area kurutanwa arutwa financial literacy. Yani kwenda kubonia CBC gitowete ntere chionde. Ega implement obra kali. Ni kuweta financial literacy na yena scope ya financial literacy anabeto bagiri barike kithomo eku nondo tio go tutathoma eku madam de na goma uthomithetwe ekwinde guru street smartness ikundanite kwa kumenyera kanyamu karoro thite ata upetwe lakini nyago achiari wo no atwarire na kukungi kwina kwi watare bichi agabru for sure times are hard,
very true,
agabru me atu tokiria njara kwina avenues tumba kugeria taende CDF to national government ye bursaries ethi obichini ara wangange ogo wona yuwa no tetherwa mwana kidogo kidogo ugatebwa kweninya county ne na bursaries wana neo na baba eto mama county baimbecha chita wa chiangaf ethi inyabo meokara mochi tutiena kanya ga collament tutiena kanya ga collament na go give up apana we have to keep pushing.
Yes.
There and baba cancer bauga you push you pray until something happens. You won't pray seated okira indi ko mheshimiwa mwere itu mwana atikaethirwo muchie nondo wethirwo mwana muchie ne thirikari yagirie kugwata igagori mwana agorotha mbio
akuria
muchie alafu ende kwena kiuria kuwori kya thirikari ne kumtangwa igo mayo ne kumtangwa manto ti maudhu ntie an economist ntiuga wegua kwena recession kana imbiere ku lakini branka uga wana ikimtanga wo no ekogeria kithomo sector ya kithomo ni nene na demanding tende ukaraitha ya allocated 48 billion.
48
Ukaraitha percentage ire petwe education iwe above recommended percentage ya GDP. Koko manisha thirikari bando ni kugeria muno na ntuwira ngi ndaugire tukiwata uhuru twawata uhuru turwana mantu matatu mbere nĩ health ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ kĩa maĩrĩ yetagwa ignorance ignorance kwaga kithomo nĩwona ikwaga kithomo nambi mantu mara thirikari bado nĩ ũpambana mũno yona mbura ĩgatethia cukuru igũma ciĩna challenge itiena classes lakini thirikari ĩtwĩra nĩ waka 16,000 classrooms na egoro nkwira mwana cukuru yakwa woma ndaethĩrĩra cibĩrĩ bimbia within that short period ndaethĩrĩra cibĩrĩ bimbia na ntikũririkana mũciari etwa no ekomi ndaetwa ni ũgo ndaetwa no ekomi ndaethĩrĩra cibĩrĩ bimbia na biega na ndauga gwa binya gwa thirikari no tukũme mtanga no ekũgeria no mbeca inu ikawa ciumĩte kwa thirikari no tũgendo gĩkĩ bo finance thirikari no anga wo cukuru no anga wo mũciari ũkarĩa kana thirikari ĩkarĩa na thirikari nĩ yathukirie responsibility yagira yetagwa basic education yagirie gwĩkĩraga so thirikari nyewe nĩ kũmtanga tukũme mtanga kwena weaknesses woma kwena into bimwe bikũra lakini no ekũgeria bora ekũrotha tiona ata aciari na other stakeholders gatuye to support both kurotha tukumba nturani nuraithe family ukona eno inide wewe wena woti ngai ũgũtethetie tethia kana kamwe in that family na mũciari ũra mwĩtereke baro wewe wenakio ugo no waka family tia kuya na antu thi wetherania antu na agutauni bara waka yes expert yo no omwe gutaro yi gukwenda muntu muthomu nawe mũciari ũra tena ticie ukamweta njo ugantagira ruyo gugakwa turuteta ibuto mbo support thirikari times are hard wana thirikari no akaekurira yo kwina challenges na tutimi mtamo no ndo no tutongoretie na maonene mothe twira murungu urutete onekanagira
bwega sana no tubwatha chetu maybe tukirekerekeria Madam Faith tukomenya kana kwebugwa tigari hotelete achiere tha chetu ikiuga ikuthira
mbere mũciari ithiro wina kanya na mwanuku no ndo utigindu kingi umba kwa mwana right now important maishene jawe bantu jangi bauga it's need now as parent we are expecting to meet the needs lakini ndikwe mantu jamwe we have to be serious about na nkiendelea kuinsist spending time with our children mwana inyeja ogoro na maybe those ones that are not boarding aria mwana those ones that went boarding imaitajanga no ringaira mwarimu timu kumuria mwana kure akari igoro ibarachokire skuru no uraringire mwarimu umuria how does my child look in class no it is very important kuna nditene nya mwarimu na igabwa na gwatitwe mbaru imuciari ndirio gukaraoki inkwayaga about uria benderete you know na undu bumwe bwo kuba support igukaratu kibaraire you know they have their children and they have our children kuna the love that we can give them is constant communication karoki areya na mwarimu ukiga winya umenya no waria mwarimu ukona nya mwana okwe thinene you know kuringana na uria mwarimu akorespond then you follow up kuna mbere ya ciari barabara sireana pray for your children tuendelee kurombera ana betu tuendelee kurombera arimu tuendelee kurombera you know education system na tuendelee kuthomera our country because Kenya is a nation that has honey you know but to Canaan let us stop looking for another Canaan this is our Canaan na tutigae kuona all the worst things happening about us don't wera wenya the much time okay oro who spend so much time complaining no go kona issues tia go complain about Oroga spend so much trying to create peace in yourself. No woke either win avenues. Check whether we are at peace. If we can assist each other na maromba na kwithirwa antu wakienda na iraunda daktari uga you know you can do something for somebody anytime nandi na twira winyantu barabega kuthithiria mantu ibara batina how to pay you back you know that is a satisfaction nandi mbere ya chiari we keep praying for our children na to support yana betu so much ndo ana betu they are looking forward to our love and support give it is a requirement. They are not like us to atega man to tukauga itan you know it's a chance kana I am blessed. Ana betu bajuka ya manzo that they are supposed to be done.
Yes.
Kuna we keep praying for our nation.
Bwega sana madam, thank you very much. Daktari, maybe tukirekeria inkumenya wina ntumo ya Tharaka University. Inkumenya nutiaga maybe no tuire babanga bangite ata maybe tukiambiria mwanka kengo tukirekagiria.
Thank you Feminas. Mutegeri dina ntunka poira makai. Ukari urokari no ntumba matugania maku. Ona wo muciari uria gukiuga ibo baba atandira bici no kurongwa kwi bangi yiteru nyama bataena bici na ibarokire ata ibathomire so mujongo ugaga maidi yaku ni owo itru reflection yaku so karoke ukiuga gugu wanga wakarwa tutikara tukiuga gugu anga breti agana tutina kanya kukaire tuina kanya ga kwendelea kuthata na ende kambongere stress yegure stress ntwende kansarare agatuteria singia kiumia gikagiu kingi no tutirikari yatwirite the first 2 weeks of January keri kengere kuma ya form 4 keri giume mwana waku araukirukire akwira baba ichukuru ndathi wena wirigiro bonene muno amuntendi mbere muchioyu tikarika no ntuwego wendetie kira gintu ta muchiari no ndo twiye kuthoma ku university mwana waku athiku university reha mwana atia university muchiari wonde tugende wo maiga gwe munyiere no ndo achieve target yake ita mbora yanto waende taende wokithi cibitari ku deliver deliver mwana atie na njara emwe. What is the feeling? Wo wega gwa ta za mother you've lost motherhood wotie mother endere mwana atia kuruka kitu kwendete twega gwa twe down mo
twe banyire
lakini ndenda kubwa gospel ino muraithi wa TV ya Meru FM ndeto cia kugwa icia kurukirwe ni gita wa mwana awete grade yake kulingana na woti bwake na ndeto ino bokonta cia kugwa ici ciote magwana na ba extra winya kwia kigerio na ntuwira gokira ntuwe mothuganie we cibitari ugweterete kuthinjwa urayite okuthinja na igire kigerio iri okere wati utindika mwana tondu utakomba kuthio goka gugirwiro muno wona ro uyite okuthinja na igire kigerio okauya rwero rutono
mwana kajita kaka thinjamburi
so pushira ya utindika mwana no mwanko watire ya no mwanko watire b turakane naira kila mwana agakunintira niyo ability yake mantu marugukire manoga mwana akunintira grade ya university mutetherie gukurukira antu bawe no menyo umuthurire course era we akuona neo
akauma
ikamuteithia na abilities ciake no ndo achiari bari ukoba nintirito certificate bakairwo eno neo wendaga wendete nkarau ka niyo kandi wirani yao yakwa mutetherie mupe guidance career guidance mwaririe gukurukira athomba baba na women na counselors bamu advice boraka banga na ruthe uyu no university uratie university technicals chingire na movers by economy na ndo aba ya technicals taende agakwa Meru TV re kabwena human resource bwena bagana
tomo
no mabwena timu na aranja baba ko bendi bagana ikithumba taino ware Meru kiuma muchie uthigie rwiro gite gatapu ni waringira plambora kwe karibu au baye mndindire na abakigwa inombe tiro no angaro iro nkona tangaro kona antu bara ibo ba move ga economy mwana uraka wata D yake D minus E na the technical debate na dure course course ya njara na wacheta na kwa yandike oyo kwambio wa university wona mtu ekera mathe kugwa na bara itu ben courage na toba wate njara universities chiabwire iri open china open door policy na seamlessness ya courses certificate ende ugo komboria mantu matharaka tuena program ya marketing na tukadimitiana kwa wingi ndo tuadimita wenda kurutha certificate course ukai university ukai technical ukameona wenda kurutha course ya diploma ukai university ukai technical ukameona wenda kurutha course ya degree ukai university ukameona ino timeona the technicals alafu thirikari ni finance inyo tukuraramika tukuraramika na genuine anga taifa kia anga new model chia finance leo nthe mantu maechenchia na ndipo angerekano emwe nkai nkirikiria ukarigana rira twathama tunatoka analog tunaenda digital by then kwa ena Matiang na mtoto wa Dr. Bitange Demo bakara bakiwa tukathama tukumie kiongo bulu tuomirie kiongo ma lakini bajire bainga main stations cia TV ndirikana chingiro watu tutiochiona lakini gwe gento kemomburagia orona mtu atwete nyomba iguru taino akiuragia agu niko gwatira agu no